Oh my God! Krishnah Gravidez ng Baguio nagbakel sa tanong na kung sa atin pa ang West Philippines Sea during head-to-head finals challenge ng Miss World Philippines 2024.
US President Joe Biden has recently expressed that the U.S. defense commitments to the Philippines are ironclad. In the light of recent events in the West Philippine Sea, do you feel that the U.S. should take more concrete action in support of its ally, the Philippines?
Thank you for the question. You know, sometimes it's really hard to think how complex and complicated our relationships or the relationship of its country. But with the Mutual Defense Treaty, that's actually been legally implemented, but now it's not activated yet. But I hope that they will fulfill their promise once it happens. And I do want everyone to stand our ground that and to think na atin ang West Philippine Sea. Because I'm proud to say that out loud because we, the Filipinos, the Philippines is the legal and rightful owner of the West Philippine Sea as proclaimed by the Permanent Court of Arbitration on July 2016. So we are the rightful owner of the West Philippine Sea. And you know, one thing I admire about our history is our heroes who were brave enough to defend our independence and our land. And I do hope that the government will also do the same to protect our land and our waters. And us, as ordinary citizens of the Philippines, we can also do something. The very first step that we can do is to equip our mind with true and proper information and influence others to do the same. Because if we can do that, we can all come up together, and if we have that power or that knowledge, that is our power, and that, I think, is the most powerful defense that we can ever have. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'm Yoko Neras. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.